break formula to the next line, like you are writing a big formula, then how you can go to the next line like this, like this is var a equal, and then you have to write one more line like var v equal v equal like sum close, and then you have to go to the again to the next line like this. So how you can do this, just simply click over there, and then shift enter, then it will be go to the next line, like return, then shift enter, then like a plus b. So in this way you can just formatted your all codes to a new line, just shift